Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Toyota Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Scotland 0. I'm joined by.
Yeah. All of them got to hear.
Sure.
I'm here.
Yes.
And the Chiefs will need.
The Chiefs winning.
We are happy.
Yes. Happy people.
Mamelani.
Yeah, iliki ngaithatha this season.
No. We are building.
You are building it?
Yes, we are building umuzi wethu, new coach, new players.
Until when?
Until Jesus Christ come back.
You're gonna build until Christ come back?
Yes.
Oh my God. Man of the man! Man of the match, but forget today. Jersey number 28.
This season we are on track.
Yeah.
We are on the right track.
Yeah.
We are trying to build our team.
Yes.
We are not there for it. We are there to build a team. The day we are right, we're gonna collect this.
Yeah.
So amakapa yathatha akunamadlanga azothatha amakapa Chiefs. Amakapa Chiefs awathatha right. Abalwabazi nje umona.
Thank you,
Thina makhosi. We are on.
Thank you, Kosi. Welcome to my fans on the TV. Toyota Cup, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Scotland 0. I'm joined by.
Simon Brayaga. The game was very good. I enjoyed the game.
Yeah.
So Nagli Bakania Brayaga. I support our Chiefs Brayaga.
Support the Chiefs.
Yeah.
Mara season now share between guy this season.
Ligi.
Where's the league going?
Ligi right now Brayaga. Ligi will also wait to Brayaga. Paris.
Mara makosa rangi hingi wakibone mas.
Makosi. Why is it about too much makosi?
This is our time. Thank you, leader. Yeah. Who can away?